The ICCPR preamble reads as follows: considering that, in accordance with the principles proclaimed in the Charter of the United Nations, recognition of the inherent dignity and of the equal and inalienable rights of all members of the human family is the foundation of freedom, justice, and peace in the world. It states that recognition of the inherent inalienable rights, meaning your natural rights, natural right, a right that is conceived as part of natural law and that is therefore thought to exist independently of rights created by government or society, such as the right to life, liberty, and property. Inalienable right, a right that cannot be transferred or surrendered, a natural right such as the right to own property. This truth is clearly shown and expressed in the domestic law of the United States of America, the Constitution of the State of Nevada, Section 1. Inalienable rights. All men are by nature free and equal and have certain inalienable rights, among which are those of enjoying and defending life and liberty, acquiring, possessing, and protecting property, and pursuing and obtaining safety and happiness. Constitution of Hawaii, Rights of Individuals. Section 2. All persons are free by nature and are equal in their inherent and inalienable rights. Among these rights are the enjoyment of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and the acquiring and possessing of property. Florida Constitution, Section 2. Basic Rights. All natural persons, female and male alike, are equal before the law and have inalienable rights, among which are the right to enjoy and defend life and liberty, to pursue happiness. We are clearly seeing that inalienable rights, which are absolute natural rights, are recognized and protected within domestic law of the United States of America. Each and every state has included the recognition of inalienable rights within their state constitutions. Constitution of California, Article 1. Declaration of Rights. Second, all men are by nature free and independent and have certain inalienable rights, among which are those of enjoying and defending life and liberty, acquiring, possessing, and protecting property, and pursuing and obtaining safety and happiness. Constitution of Illinois. Section 1. Inherent and inalienable rights. All men are by nature free and independent and have certain inherent and inalienable rights, among which are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. To secure these rights and the protection of property, governments are instituted among men, deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed. Constitution of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Inherent Rights of Mankind. Section 1. All men are born equally free and independent, and have certain inherent and indefeasible rights, among which are those of enjoying and defending life and liberty, of acquiring, possessing, and protecting property and reputation, and of pursuing their own happiness. What we are seeing is not an accident, but an operation of law that has been in existence long before America ever became a country, so to speak. Natural rights have been operating for many, many generations, and these rights are real and produce an obligation upon the government to respect them and not limit their expression. Constitution of Alaska. Inherent Rights. This Constitution is dedicated to the principles that all persons have a natural right to life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. Constitution of Ohio. Inalienable Rights. 1851. All men are by nature free and independent and have certain inalienable rights, among which are those of enjoying and defending life and liberty, acquiring, possessing, and protecting property, and seeking and obtaining happiness and safety. Constitution of New Jersey. 1. All persons are by nature free and independent and have certain natural and unalienable rights, among which are those of enjoying and defending life and liberty, of acquiring, possessing, and protecting property, and of pursuing and obtaining safety and happiness. Constitution of Virginia, Section 1. Equality and rights of men, that all men are by nature equally free and independent and have certain inherent rights. You do not need to be a scholar or hold a diploma to understand and see that there is a legal obligation flowing and operating through American domestic law that respects and ensures every individual's natural, absolute, inalienable rights. What we are clearly seeing is that there is an obligation in law, in the supreme law of the land, to respect and acknowledge inherent, natural, common law rights and freedoms. This creates a legal obligation on the government to respect our full legal capacity before them. They must respect and ensure our fundamental rights and freedom